Okay, so we're going to start our journey through our trigonometric identities by looking at 5 different identities, okay? And that's what we're going to focus on in this video. So the first one, or the first 3, are known as the 3 reciprocal identities. Okay, and we already know about these ones, okay? So all these ones are the following. So for any angle, so if we have some angle, so for any theta, we've got cosec of theta, which is equal to 1 on sine of theta, okay? Where sine of theta is not equal to 0. We have sec of theta, which is equal to 1 on cos of theta, okay, where cos theta is not equal to 0. And the third one we have is cot, okay? And cot's going to come up again in a bit, but cot is just 1 tan of theta, where tan of theta is not equal to 0, okay? So we know about those ones already. They're the reciprocal identities, and they're going to pop up a lot in this bit. Okay, so they're known as the... Oh, hey. We've got part of another lesson here, so we'll just move back up and we'll go across. So these ones here are known as the reciprocal identities, okay, because they're the reciprocal of sine, cosine, and tangent. Okay, the other two we're going to look at really quickly are the the last two, the 2 ratio identities, okay? I can't spell T's, okay? Now, these ratios, I'm going to rewrite identities again, I think, but these ratios, or these identities are just the ratio of 2 of our trigonometric ratios, which is pretty cool, okay? And these ones are going to be very, very, very useful. So the first one, well, let's start off by saying for any angle theta, okay, tan of theta is equal to sine of theta over cos of theta. Now, this is a really powerful tool because it means if you have a question such as like 2 tan theta is equal to 5, okay, or 5, I don't know, cos, or 5, oh, let's do it, you say 5 over cos theta, okay, you can rewrite 2 tan theta as 2 lots of sine theta over cos theta, and that's equal to 5 over cos theta. Okay, and by doing that, you can then multiply both sides by cos theta, which eliminates it, and you're left with 2 sine is equal to 5. So that's one of the applications of that identity, but that's, as I said, it's a really good identity. Well, it's a trigonometric identity, and it's a ratio identity. It's a really handy one to have. Now, our other ratio identity is our cot one. And I mean, just by going off the definition of what tan is, and how cot's related to tan, you could probably guess what this one is. So cot theta is equal to cos theta on sine theta. Okay, and that's it. So that's our 2 ratio identities. That's all I'm going to talk about in this little first video. Okay, is those ratios there. So I'll see you in the next one.